the way mainstream has portrayed hip-hop is always negative. My name is Zous, and I'm a spoken word artist and hip-hop organizer. Bap Village represents how immigrants and refugees that came from villages have embraced hip-hop art forms, whether it's b-boying, b-girls, DJing, graffiti, or MCs. Hip-hop has been a positive influence in my life. Exploring hip-hop and using it as a way to express a lot of the issues that I was going through as a Hmong American teen, it was very powerful for me. And so I wanted to provide these same opportunities for the next generation. Bap Village legitimizes these art forms and gives youth a safe place to come together and compete and to express themselves. We also get youth leaders to help organize these events and participate.
And it was great to see the youth come through and show their skills and, represent the culture of hip-hop.
It's been a way that youth have been able to keep away from trouble.
I would either be on the streets with gangsters. I would probably do drugs that I never even heard about. Hip-hop should be actually a doorway for everybody.
Bap Village also showcases traditional art forms such as Kang dancing, Yutsia, and Bahua. Encourages Hmong youth to embrace their identity and their culture. Even though Bap Village has a focus on the Hmong community, it's a Hmong hip-hop event, it's also not exclusive and welcomes people from all different backgrounds to participate. The amount of hip-hop and breakdance group these days in the 2000s were equal to the amount of gangs there were back in the 90s, because hip-hop is this global movement that unites people from many different backgrounds.
Minnesota needs to get back on the map with hip-hop.
I can't take it anymore.